do a little upgrade to the system monitoring. Currently what it does is there are seawater pumps. See, there are seawater pump VFDs that control the speed of the seawater pumps, so it regulates the head pressure, or the high pressure if you will. So what I'm going to do is, well, the problem is if these things fault out for any reason, the system doesn't know it, and then the system doesn't know it, so it'll fault out on high pressure. So what I'm going to do is connect these up to the PLC to give us a warning to shut the system down as necessary. So we're going to do an update on the chiller control system here. These are seawater pump VFDs. What they do is take a signal from the programmable logic controller, the PLC, that is monitoring the pressures of the compressors. When the pressure goes up, the seawater pump speed goes up. When the pressure goes down, the seawater pump speed goes down. So because we want to regulate it at a certain pressure to give us a certain temperature of the refrigerant. Problem here is VFDs sometimes have an issue and they will fault out. So what I'm going to do is these fault relay, here's a fault relay output, fault relay output. I'm going to hook them up. See, we have a couple empty spaces right here. So when a seawater pump faults out, the PLC notices that and will shut that compressor off instead of shutting off on high pressure. So what I'm going to do is, from these two, I've got to program them to energize that relay, and run wires along the cable chase here and into the PLC. So here's the old configuration. We've got inputs all along here. As you can see, we have an empty one here and an empty one there. Well, the way this system works, I can't just put there and there. I have to move all of these over to one spot. And that will open up these two. Or if that one's already open, it'll open up this one. Here is the new configuration. As you can see right here, it's the seawater pump monitoring. And it's just a way this Maxim system works. So it will require a little programming change, which has already been done. I just need to upload it into the PLC. Alright, so I have these two wires ready to terminate onto those two terminals. I have these two wires ready to terminate on those two. I ran them up that wire chase, and they are coming out pretty much from where I need them. Alright, so I have those two terminated with ferrules. I have those two terminated with ferrules. Covers back on for those two. In theory, I can put that cover on. Problem is, I don't have any of the, I need two of those terminal blocks. See, there and there. I need to go back to the shop and get some. Bummer. I moved all those over as I said I needed to. Now I've just got to put these two in. Okay, so I did. I moved all the ones over as I needed to. Remember, there was an empty spot right there. So I moved those 6 over, plug those those two guys in. Now it's time to upload the new config. So we come here to communicate, transfer to Maxim. Already have the password in. Send. Okay, so now it's writing data to the device. Alright, successful. Hit OK. Reset. OK. OK. Now, let's see, we got halted. Come on. There we go. Now it's alive. It's alive. Let's get that out of the way. Now we need to here. Let's see. HMI. Yep, I want to overwrite. Yes, I want to do all that. Now it's going to tell me I couldn't, which is fine. System is firing up. Chill water pump just fired up. Just make sure everything's good. Setting. Pump 2. Alright, I already transferred the run times. That power source means that when it's on a shore power, that can enable both compressors, but only one will run. There we go. Let's monitor this. Alright, she's running. 40 hertz for the time being. It will speed up. There it is. Alright, wanted to do 49. We're good. Seawater pump because of the head pressure so low, because we got some cold water coming in. We're good there. Now, I've actually got to program these. So hit mode. Down to 6. For some reason the password is set up on this. It's 225. Typical for these AC techs that they no longer use. Faster, let's see. 225. Alright, good. So PO6.